I want. Jesse.
Yes, ma'am. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Playing a little lotto action, dude. What does it look like?
Which one are you gonna do?
$5 million fortune. Right there.
For $300? Oh,
It's $30.
Oh, okay. It's still pretty. $30?
Yeah, dude, you maximize your odds and try to get more money.
What do you, oh, okay, you're going for it.
I'm gonna test the water. See if this one does well. I'm gonna get the whole roll. I did this for a video. I didn't win, so I'm gonna.
This is redemption.
What's up?
This is redemption. It's like
exactly.
Guys, Jesse just ran outside and I'm not sure what the heck he's doing. Where did he go? What is he doing? He just, who is that? Literally, who is that? What's going, what the heck? Is it Swift? Oh my god, is Swift his drug dealer? He's giving him money! What the heck? Since when does Jesse do drugs? Oh my god, I hope it's just pot. Hope it's not like Molly or anything. Dude, Taylor Swift is Jesse's drug dealer. Hello?
What is this?
What is this?
Dude, you're filming me nonstop. You're filming a convenience store?
What is this?
What is what?
Who was that? I mean, I know who it was, but what were you doing?
Make some cash money.
How?
YouTube ad revenue's down, so I gotta do what I can.
What, are you selling drugs?
Come now.
Jesse.
Come now.
Where would you even get drugs?
Oh, you want some?
No, I don't do drugs.
No, I was selling my fucking silver play button.
Oh. Woo! I was scared.
You wanted some, didn't you?
No,
you just want some of this.
Okay.
300. You bought it for. See, Juggies, that's where it's at. You really think I was selling drugs? Or buying drugs?
I was confused. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be a buyer.
I don't know. I know you don't do drugs, but I don't know anything about Swift.
Dude, he probably does all sorts of fucked up
I
shit.
know. So are we actually gonna do something tonight or what?
Well, I'm already doing something.
What are you doing?
Playing jackpot poker.
Jesse.
What?
Are you kidding me?
What?
You have a problem.
No, I do not.
You play the scratch-offs. You go to the casino all the time, and now you're playing on your phone. This is not okay.
This isn't real money. It's play money.
I don't believe you.
Here. Actually, this video is sponsored by Jackpot Poker.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
Come check it out. Yeah, you literally, it's an app or game on your phone. You can install it for iOS or Android. Basically, there's a bunch of different tournaments. Here, let me get a clear shot of this. Alright, so they got this pretty cool ranking system up here in top left. I'm level 3 right now. You can jump into any tournament, like, instantly. And they have it timed. So that pretty much every single hand is only like 20 seconds. So you can jump into a game, sit at a table, and be done, like, instantly. So there's no time. See, I'm already in a game. Just like that. Finding me a seats. This is winner takes all. Well, this is a spin. Here we go. And this decides how much the winner actually gets. Can you imagine? Remember, this is play money.
Right.
However, you know, gets you ready for the real deal.
Your, like, whatever, endorphins are like, oh, money.
Yeah, no, it's an adrenaline rush for sure. My favorite thing about poker is probably the fact that, like, I get to lie. So, like, I'm just gonna go all in here. And I'll just slide that in. See, look at that time bank, see?
All in.
See, now everyone's gonna fold. I did win the previous tournament, though. That's why I'm level 3 right now.
Yeah, you did that quickly.
Alright, I'm going back in for more, baby. Let's do this! Oh, give me 50 million. Could you imagine the redemption? Oh, 50 grand. That's almost double the previous tournament.
I love the sound effects.
Right? It's super legit. It's very satisfying to the ear.
Did you pay to download this?
Nah, the app's actually free.
Oh, you're playing other people?
Yes. Isn't that crazy?
That's cool.
There's Lolo over there. I got him with the 9s. Oh, a triple. That's 3 of a kind, Juliet. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, bait him with the 6 grand. He's in, just like last time. Join me, friend. It's like, oh, I got him. Oh, you're done, dude. All in. This is it. Bye-bye, Lolo. I'm about to be lolling hard. Here we go. Oh, he's calling? Nice. Glolo's coming in. Yo, this is about to be the biggest pot. Oh my gosh. I got him. Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. How much money do I... Oh, do you see that, Juliet? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All in. Oh, what do you think? Yo, watch it 8 pop up. If an 8 pops up, I'm a god over here. Give me an 8. Give me an 8. 8. Oh. You know what though? That last 9. I just won. Oh, 50 grand. And some monster XP. I just leveled up. I doubled my level.
Number 6.
I'm top 1,000. So guys, if you're interested, I think I made Juliet. I've convinced her to play. If you think you can beat me at poker, you think you're a better liar.
Can.
So Juliet thinks she can beat me. Guys, if you want to install this app, you can find the link in the description below. It's called Jackpot Poker. It is a blast. No consequence. Anybody can play, any age. I'm slightly addicted, not gonna lie. And like I said,
I can tell you are. This is how he gets.
Just getting ready for the real deal. I have an addicted personality, but it's fine. Yo, I'm getting 50 mil. Jays, we are out of here. No kitchen life does not suit Juliet.
No, I want some real food.
You want some food?
Yeah.
That's right. That's what you're in it for. Jays, we are out to the casino. A little casino action.
Oh, I forgot that. You had that.
Oh, I forgot too. Actually, no, I did not. Look at this beast, guys. Like, this is... Like, I feel like the Jays mobile is literally crying right now. It's like...
I know.
Dude, you're so old. The torch is being passed. Yo, what the fuck are these dogs? What the hell? What the hell's going on? Hello, friends.
I'm concerned.
Run. Ella, John, what the fuck happened to you guys? Yo, is that dog taking a shit on the... Oh my... Alright, so, anyway. We're just kidding. Oh, it's locked! I've never been so happy to get cock blocked like that. Yo, we're about to get fucking eaten by these dogs, though. I need to hurry up.
I'm just ready to get out of that basement.
Dude, it's not that bad. I got that big screen. I'm a good couch sleeper.
Are you?
Like, I prefer the couch. How much money did you bring?
$20.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Rocking like a solid grand. See, when ad revenue's down,
Jesse.
you gamble your... What?
A grand?
Dude, you know how I am. Alright, let's see what this beast can do. You hold that.
Alrighty.
Let's see if that started up. Oh, yo, I can plug my phone in.
What?
Do you have an aux cord?
No, do you?
Shit, yeah, actually, I have it in the Juggies mobile. I've just never used it.
Not an aux cord. Oh, okay. Well, do you
I can do a USB.
Yeah.
Shit, dude, I can do that from here. I think it's right. Yeah, look at that. You ready to make some money?
Jesse.
What? I've been playing that app all day. I've been
going through one of these phases again.
I don't get it. Dude, I was playing that app for play money. I was play money. Now it's time to do the real deal. Show you how it's done, guys. People talk about Vegas.
You need to call 1-800-GAMBLING.
Stop. People talk about Vegas. I'm all about the AC life.
Well, that's just because it's like an hour away.
Everybody always says you have problems until I win. And then everyone's like, oh, can I have some? You can't say, oh, you have problems, and then when I win, you want something.
I don't say that.
I'm glad you're starting to learn how to do strategic zooms.
Jesse, what are you doing?
Redemption, baby, it's time.
Didn't you literally just play the scratch-offs and you didn't win?
Yes, and you know what this is? This is called free tickets that I got from the tickets. So I didn't pay for these.
And what's gonna happen if you win from this? You're gonna buy more tickets?
No, well, if these free tickets unlock free tickets, then I'll get free tickets. We're going to the casino. Yeah. Naturally, I'm going to be, you know.
This is more gambling issues.
It would be if these weren't free tickets. And if I win, it's free money. So it's all free money.
They wouldn't have given you this money. You had to use it on lottery tickets.
It's all free money. At the end of the day, it's all free money.
Nothing is free. Remember that, Jesse. Nothing is free.
Whatever you say, boss. You ain't getting pieces.
All right. So, are you winning anything, or?
Nah, these fucking cards suck. Oh, yeah. There it is, baby. The shining gem in a pretty dangerous city. So we're not gonna bring the camera into the casino because that's not good. There it is, Jace. Look at that thing. It's gonna be so freaking hard to find it now.
Average car, yeah.
How am I gonna? It's not pink.
I know.
Jace is not bright pink.
Great, so we would never remember what we
Level 4, guys. We're at the Borgata right now. Shit's about to get real. Hope you're ready to lose that $20.
I'm so ready.
Because that's like that. We can lose that in 5 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Trying to get some drinks tonight?
I'm trying to get
Let's
some free
fucking do
drinks
it. Let's do it. Yeah, I'll get some free drinks.
Really?
It's about to get shit faced.
Oh god.
I'm playing max credits, dude.
What? That's just one spin.
Woo! $10, dude. Play max credits again. Let's keep it going. Oh.
How many was that?
Little shits. If it ain't over $1,000, we're not interested. So
Yes.
keep it going, baby. That one credit. Best thing about playing slots, you get free drinks. So you just like hop on a penny slot, and just do it up. What was he doing at? I'm about to smack an old man on his neck. I need more money.
I don't have any more money.
I tried.
Jesse.
It was $5 fucking.
I know, but that
Are you gonna be a prude? Or like, come on.
becomes $500.
No. What's up, guys? Got some dinner. See, you benefit from this.
Yeah,
See that,
but
guys? It's like a little mini pie thing.
It looks good.
I don't know.
Tequila.
It's probably this should probably be good after you're
Smell
high. If you guys were high on 420,
Oh,
this would probably
smell
be the
it.
shit.
It smells so good. Like a
Oh,
little-
night's just begun, guys. I'm like $500
Let's go to
down.
the club.
If I get up ahead, we'll go to the club.
Really?
Happy birthday. Feeling pretty good, Juggies. Had a few drinks.
Feeling pretty good.
Slowing down with water. You don't
Baby.
buy drink at dinner because that's where they overcharge you. You go free slots.
Oh,
Alright. Yeah, get the video. Nice. Sweet. He's a Juggie, guys.
Yo. What?
Money on money.
How did you win all that?
Told you. I'm good at lying. Stop staring at it. I'm good at lying, man. A little two-face. Let me see it coming.
Jesse, that's not good.
It's
that you're
oh, it's not. It's not.
No.
I'm not trying
You're a
to.
liar. How much money is that?
None of your business.
Jesse. It's not good.
Time to play some blackjack.
What? We're gonna keep gambling? It's like 1 a.m.
Is it?
Yeah.
I lose track sometimes.
This is.
You were in my grill piece. Is this paparazzi?
No. Don't flatter yourself.
I mean, I feel pretty good right now. Just lied, swindled some old geezers out of their pension money. Watch where you're going.
Well, you should. You're all up in. I don't
Oh,
know. By the
really?
depth perception, it's like. Guys, Jesse's been playing blackjack for like literally. I don't even know. 2 hours. Ridiculous. Spent my $20 bill that I came with, so it's not very good. It's not looking good, guys. I don't even know how to vlog. Jesse, what are you doing?
Are you cameraing me?
It says transaction amount.
Huh?
How much are you
I lost,
taking out?
Juliet. I lost. Okay.
Yeah, and that's when you only bring a set amount, and then that's all you have.
No. See, then I have 2 debit cards. I got my personal account and the RiDGiD STUDiOS account. The RiDGiD STUDiOS is flowing right now, so when you lose, you gotta. When you're in the hole, you gotta dig yourself out of it.
It's not.
So you gotta dip in to come back out.
But you never know. You might not take yourself out of it.
PIN number. You're gonna have to.
Jesse,
What?
we need to have a conversation.
I'm good, dude. RiDGiD STUDiOS. Dude's got so much money in his account. I'm like, shit.
Who's dude?
Can you turn? I gotta do my PIN.
Oh my god.
I've had a little bit of drink, alright?
This is not good.
No peeking. Wow, we had so much fun. So, you know, I think I lost like $1,000 roughly. Better luck next time. Draining
Only 1,000.
draining that account. Oh well.
You don't even care?
Nah, it's all expendable, really. All right, Jay. So we're gonna close off this epic casino vlog. Don't die. Dude, you could have made that. You didn't want to get crushed.
I'm actually careful with my life.
Yeah, you're a pretty cool kid. I ever tell you that?
Why?
Gillette's pretty cool. Might keep you around.
Why are you saying that?
So, I don't know.
Are you drunk?
Nah. Slightly. You're pretty cool though. Might have to take you back.
Take me back.
Alright, to my house with my new ride. Why the fuck do I know that? Alright, Jays, we're gonna close off. Wait, you took level 4? Oh, sorry about that. All right, Jays. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Twitter, Instagram, links in the description. Drop some likes on the video. Subscribe. Check out Juliet Riley.
I make music.
Guys, big video coming tomorrow because we're making moves on the Sega Series 2. We might be not in this country anymore, if you know what I'm saying. All right, Jays. Love you all to death, and don't forget.
Keep it Juliet.
Keep it rigid. I still doesn't. What does that mean?
It means
makes no sense.
Be nice and be a good sport.
Is that who Juliet is?
Yeah, I'm a good person.
Nice. Who am I?
A gambling addict.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
You have no clue who I am, cause I'm that good at gambling.
You're
Poker face.
Wow, now you're Lady Gaga. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, where did you park? Seriously.
I don't fucking know. What does the car look like?